Hi guys, MJ again, your Westside Guide. And today, samahan niyo ako for a quick drive inside Westside City. I'll show you around some exciting spots that you'll see along the way. Let's go! So right now, we're entering Westside City via Diokno Boulevard. Ito yung main gate papunta sa mga hotels and entertainment city. And on the side, makikita nyo kaagad yung Soler Resort, one of the luxury destinations dito sa Bay Area. And just a few minutes away from here, you also see Ayala Mall's Manila Bay, a perfect spot for shopping, dining, or even weekend hangouts. And on the side, ayan na kaagad ang Grand Westside Hotel. Did you know that this is the largest hotel in the Philippines? It has 1,530 rooms, kaya naman it's considered the biggest hotel in the country. Makes sense, right? And as you can see right here is an elevated pathway. It connects directly from Grand Westside Hotel papunta sa Westside Integrated Resort. And that's very convenient to people staying at Grand Westside Hotel. Easy access. And over here, makikita niyo yung ginagawang Westside Integrated Resort, one of the biggest leisure and entertainment destination in the country. Kaya naman abangan natin to. And right across, you can see the Kingsport Hotel. Look at that. It's stylish, modern, and perfect for guests visiting the Bay Area, and especially those coming from the airport. Beside Kingsport, you'll see one of Megaworld's residential condos, the Bayshore Residential Resort 2. They added resorts to its name because of its resort-style living. You'll see why once you explore the amenities. For full tour, check out our YouTube channel, Bayshore Full Tour. And of course, right across to this area is Okada, Manila. It is known for its grand fountain show and luxury experience. Short walk away lang from Bayshore Residential Resort 2 Phase 2. On this side naman, makikita natin ang Future Nayong Pilipino. It's a future cultural attraction development. Isa pa sa mga gusto ko dito, kahit city vibes, may mga green spaces, jogging paths, and walkways for everyone to enjoy. And now we're heading to the residential side. Kung sa kabilang side, meron tayong Bayshore Residential Resort 2 Phase 2, on this side naman, we have the Gentry Manor. This is also a residential condominium, perfect for those looking for flexible investments or modern city living. This is also a short walk away to Okada, Manila. If you want to see the full tour, check our Facebook page or YouTube channel and search for Gentry Manor Full Tour. And that's our quick drive around the Westside City. From hotels to leisure spots to future residential hubs, everything's connected and convenient. If you're looking for future investments, check out Gentry Manor and Bayshore, both prime investments or prime developments here in Westside City. Once again, this is MJ, your Westside Guide.